state lead is generated in my business. And what? Automatically the lead data has been created in my Google Sheets. Yes, this is possible by simply building the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. Now, whenever in my business a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically the leads details and the record is going to be created in my Google Sheets. Let me show you how this is going to work in real time. This is my Meta's lead ads testing tool using which you can generate a test lead. So this is my Facebook page using which I'm promoting my real estate agency ads, and this is the form using which I collect my leads data. I will click on this preview form button to do the test form submission. So now this is the form right over here. For the property type, I will select over here as Villa Independent House. For the full name, I will select over here as Demo User. Okay, so this is the full name. For the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right over here. Then it is asking for the email address, for which I will write it as demo@pabblytudes.com. Okay, next it is asking for the city. For the city, I will write over here as Indore and click on this continue button. As I've done that, I'm going to click on the save button and the test lead for my Facebook lead ads has been generated. In my Google Sheets, if I'm going to open, you can see in front of you the record of the test lead data has been captured as well. Name was Demo User, email is demo@pabblytudes.com with the dummy mobile number, city as Indore, property as Villa Independent House. Okay. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Whenever a new lead is going to be generated for my real estate agency using Facebook lead ads, the leads data is going to be created as a record in my Google Sheets. For creating the connection on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and you will come to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now before we create this automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. On the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you will find two options in front of you: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, directly sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month. But if you already are an existing user, directly sign in from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As you want to use Pabbly Connect, click on this Access Now button. Now over here, Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear. To create a new automation, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select this classic version. Okay, I will select the new version, and firstly we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow, I will give it as Automate Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Real Estate Agents. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow. So this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select workflows folder and click on this create button, and the workflow is going to be created right over here. As now the workflow is created, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions inside a workflow, inside Pabbly Connect workflows. Okay, I will add my trigger right over here, and my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for my event, I will select it as new lead instant. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will tell you how you can add a new one. Then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Then it is asking me to continue with this account, and this is my Facebook account. So I will click on this continue button. With that, I will click on this continue button as well. And as I've done that, the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets is now been successfully created. This was super easy because already on a new tab I've logged into my Facebook account. That makes the connection super easy. Okay, so now it is asking for me to select the page with the help of which page am I promoting my ads. I am using Prime Properties as my Facebook page to promote my ads. So what I will do is, for the page, I will search for that Prime Properties. For the form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of Real Estate Lead Form, using which I am collecting my leads data. I want the simple response. I'll toggle this button. Click on this Save and Send Test Request button right over here, and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether automatically this Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I am going to again generate a test lead using Meta Lead Ads Testing tool. You can only generate one lead per form, so we are going to delete the existing lead that we have generated in the starting of the video. So I will delete the lead from here. As soon as I will do that, over here it is going to say your lead has been deleted. Now I will refresh this page. It is mandatory to delete the lead in order to generate another test lead. Okay. So now again select the page over here as what? Prime properties, because I want to generate a test lead for this page. I will select the same form, click on this preview form button. So now this is the form. Firstly, it is asking for me to select the property type. The property type, let's suppose, is commercial property. I will select it. For the full name, I will write it as dummy user. So I will do that, dummy user. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy mobile number right over here. Then it is asking for me for the email address. For that, I will write it as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Okay. And then it is asking for the city, for which I will write over here as Mumbai. Click on this continue button and on this submit button right here. As soon as I've done that, you can see the test lead has been generated through Meta's lead ads testing tool. So now as this test lead is generated, let me open my workflow and show you whether the response of the test lead has been captured over here in the trigger or not. So let me open my workflow. As I've opened my workflow, you can see the response has been captured. Property type is commercial property. Full name is dummy user. Phone number, this was the number. Email is dummy@pabblytudes.com and the city is Mumbai. So as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads is now been connected to Pabbly Connect. So now right over here, I'm going to add an action step. Now let us add the leads data in Google Sheets. My action application is going to be what? Google Sheets right here. And my event is going to be add new row. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before, but I will teach you how you will add a new one. For that, click on this sign in with Google button right over here. Now it is asking for me to choose an account which you want to connect to Pabbly Connect. This is my account. I will select it. Then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I am going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I will select over here as new Facebook leads details, because in this spreadsheet I want to add the data of my leads. Okay. Spreadsheet is going to be new Facebook leads details. Sheet is going to be sheet 1. Then it is asking for name, email, phone number, city and the property type. These are the headers. Okay. So as you're going to add the headers, you will see the headers like this over here in Pabbly Connect. Now to add the data over here, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field, previous step is going to appear. Click on it. This is the name. I want to create the record of the data of this lead. So I will select the data of the name of my lead from my previous response. In this similar manner, I'm going to map other details like the email address, phone number, as well as the city right over here. So I will do that. And lastly over here, the property type. So I'm going to map that data. Now as I've selected the data of all these fields from my previous response, data in the fields has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured of the new lead in the previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of all these mapped data. Okay. Then simply click on the save and send test request button, and as I will do that, I have received the spreadsheet ID, which is a positive response, and you can see the record of the leads details has been created. The same lead, dummy user, dummy@pabblytudes.com, the phone number, city Mumbai, and the property type as commercial property. So as now this creation has been done, this means right over here Facebook lead ads is connected to Google Sheets successfully. Now, if you have any other questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want to use this workflow right over here that I've created, you will find the shareable link in the description section below. Okay. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.